Alright, we are still in Dagenham and this is King George's playing field. A fun fact that I've learnt about London is there are at least 4 skate parks set within a park in London called King George Park. So I can see here it's got some play activities, basketball hoop, some lights up there, a nice little shelter, oi oi, a rain shower. If only a whole skate park was covered by a rain shelter, wouldn't that be the dream? So here we go, rain shelter, and here it is. Not really a skate park, more a skate ramp. It's had a paint job on the flat bottom. Is it skateable though? Looks pretty skateable. Let's get that off. Oh, just could do with a sweep. What is this? Somebody's kind of dropped it and walked it everywhere. The coping's nicely set and the surface looks pretty new actually. It's not skate light, it's just metal, but you know, eh? Budgets are budgets. I don't know what else to say. No designated lighting, no water fountain, no bike rack, no toilets, no cafe. Let's have a little skate. Let's give it a go. I'm not sure about this paint, so I am going to start at the bottom, see if it's slippy or not. Yeah, the paint stops you gaining any speed. If they cleaned that paint from the bottom, it wouldn't be too bad, but it's just making me feel like it's super slippy. It's King George, and let's move on to the next one.